doing a job on a CK20 Coyote tractor. And I noticed this being a pretty common mistake. People putting the O-ring on the bottom of the ridge on the glass bowl. It's supposed to be going between the glass bowl and the housing. And the jam nut tightens them together, which seals it. It's believe it or not, very common. People putting them in the wrong way when they put it back together. And you'll get air sucked in here and you'll never get to bleed it. She won't start. So on this one, somebody had done that and then put plumber's putty on the bottom to fix it up, and the plumber's putty got jammed in the line.